What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series with an awesome new spray out. I got my fender prepped up behind me. That can only mean one thing. We got two Rustoleum colors. We're going to two-tone it, and then we're going to shoot a crazy new pearl over top and see if we can't create something special. And then you guys get to rate it. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. The pearl we're using today is a Sia brand pearl called Jersey Devil. It shifts from blues to pinks to purples, a little bit of everything. So obviously I picked gloss purple Rustoleum, so I think that's going to be a good safe color. And then the oddball color I picked is Hunter Green. I don't know, purple and green, something about it today, and Jersey Devil, it just kind of screamed out to me and said, hey, spray it out. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to two-tone this fender behind me. We're going to spray some Jersey Devil pearl with a Speedo coat, and then we'll see if we can't create something cool, guys. So let's get into today's video. Guys, so we got our Riddler two-tone going on back here, and the question is, what is this going to look like? Using my Speedo Coat Clear 4-to-1, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's 75 degrees out, and we're going to jump into this Jersey Devil. It's 5 ounces total of clear in the activator mix, and we're going to do 3/4 teaspoon of this awesome Jersey Devil pearl. And I'm already making a mess, but that is all right. This is just for test purposes anyways. I'm going to dump that in the mix, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Jersey Devil. It is a highly dominated purple, but it's also got blues. It shifts to pinks. It's got all kinds of mess in it. This is the pigment in the mix, and let's get to stirring. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see it. It's definitely going to have all kinds of different shades of pink. And man, it almost goes into silver and white at some angles. This is going to be interesting, guys. I got a feeling. Over that gloss purple, we know it's going to be really cool, but man, that Hunter Green is going to be a wild card. But anyways, let's load up our V-Vor gun. Let's spray it out and see what we get. Alright guys, so I got my V-Vor gun loaded up here with this crazy Jersey Devil Colorshift. I shoot with a 1.4 tip, 28 psi, wide open trigger is my settings. If you want to replicate it, we'll do a light coat first, make sure I don't get any reactions, and we'll do 2 follow-up coats probably till we get the desired effect. Take it out in the sun, see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on, let's get to spraying. guys, do I even have to say anything about this one? This is crazy. I mean, look at that purple with that green combination. This is Riddler if I've ever seen it. And over that purple, man, you're talking about a candy looking purple out of a color shift. I mean, you can see, look at that. Look at that light shift, man. It's like a green to gold. Man, this thing looks beautiful. But anyways, it ain't up to me, guys. You tell me what you think of this color shift. Alright guys, so that's the spray out for today. Gloss purple and hunter green with a really cool Jersey Devil color shift over top. And man, in my opinion, it did not disappoint. But ultimately, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you didn't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And rate it anywhere in between. If you want to paint your own car with Jersey Devil or any other projects, links will be in the description. You can find the clear, the paint guns, all that stuff I use will be there. You can also click As Seen on YouTube, takes you to my Amazon store where you can buy anything you see on the channel that I've used thus far. We get a small kickback. It costs you guys nothing extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. I had a lot of fun today, guys. I hope you did too. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. Let me know how I'm doing, and let's help the channel grow. We're getting closer to 10,000 every day, and I'm very blessed to have each and every one of you continuing to let me do these spray outs for you. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see everyone on the next spray out.